Hey everyone, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk. Today we're talking about Samsung's upcoming budget smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A18. The A series has always been super popular. Phones like the A15, A16, and A17 were some of the best-selling budget devices under 20,000 rupees. Now Samsung is ready with the A18, and it looks like a really strong upgrade in this lineup. The design this time is clean and premium, with flat sides, a matte finish back, and a camera layout inspired by the Galaxy S series. It feels light in the hand, weighing around 190 grams, and the build quality looks very solid for its price. On the front, you get a 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, Samsung finally upgraded from 90Hz to 120Hz on this one. The display can reach up to 1,300 nits brightness, so outdoor visibility is great. The bezels are slim, and even though there's a small water drop notch, the colors and contrast on this AMOLED panel look amazing. Inside, the Galaxy A18 runs on Samsung's new Exynos 1430 chipset based on 5nm technology. You get options of 6GB or 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage with expandable memory through a microSD card. Performance is smooth for everyday tasks, social media, and light to medium gaming. The battery is 5,000 mAh with 25-watt fast charging, and yes, the charger is included in the box. You can easily expect around 1.5 days of battery backup with normal usage. Now let's talk about the cameras. At the back, you get a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera. Photo quality looks sharp, with Samsung's natural color tones and good dynamic range. Video recording goes up to 1080p at 60 frames per second with OIS support, which keeps footage stable. On the software side, the Galaxy A18 runs on Android 15 with One UI 7. And the best part, Samsung is promising 6 years of software and security updates. You'll also see some new AI features like Circle to Search, Live Translate, Summarize with Gemini, and Smart Suggestions. You can even hold the power button to bring up Gemini AI instantly. It helps you search, translate, or summarize content right on your screen. Connectivity-wise, the A18 supports all major 5G bands, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for Samsung Wallet Tap to Pay. There's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and Widevine L1 certification for full HD streaming on Netflix and Prime Video. The phone also gets IP54 dust and splash resistance, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and Samsung Knox Vault for added security. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy A18 feels like a very balanced phone. It offers a bright 120Hz AMOLED display, improved performance, reliable cameras with OIS, a solid battery, and long-term updates, all in a sleek design. If Samsung keeps the price around 20,000 rupees, this could easily become one of the best budget phones of 2025. That's it for today's quick look at the Samsung Galaxy A18. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. This is Wajid from Wajid Tech Talk. See you in the next one.